Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from the Curated Bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription, and I have a coupon code for you to get 35% off your first box. Use code AGERM35. I'm going to put a link for this box down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to put a coupon code down there so you can get 35% off your first box. So let's go ahead and open this up. I love the art they did on here. It is called Coastal Coral, and it looks like we have an awesome starfish in here pendant. In case you're new to this, this is the names of everything in the box, and these are codes so you can reorder these items on their website. The mother website is dollarbead.com. If you put the model numbers in, you can reorder these items. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up, and again, there's always like a surprise in here that's never on the front of the box. So let's see what that's going to be. I like the colors very much, by the way. It reminds me of a recent tutorial necklace that I did. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll put a picture up now. It was a floral themed necklace. Also, I just posted today my crystal gemstone chip headband tutorial. If you did not see that, I'll put pictures up for that as well. And wow, these are gorgeous. I especially love this one. That is beautiful. I love this one, and I love this one. This one, and this one. I would say these are my faves. Those are very gorgeous, but I gotta say that these here make me think of jellyfish. Have you ever seen a jellyfish in real life? When I was a kid, I was stung by multiple jellyfish. They were the size of basketballs. It was terrible. There was these 3 islands that we were at with these rope swings, and I was in the water, and these gigantic jellyfish just like swarmed in from nowhere. And I had a shirt on because I was out on the boat the day before, and they stung me through my shirt. I had a sunburn the day before, and they had stung me through my shirt, and it was so painful. You can see their tentacles on my back and stomach where they had hit me. Oh my gosh, that's a new mix. We haven't got one like that before. Metallic seed beads, gold seed beads, and bronze Chinese crystals. And that's crackled agate, it looks like. Those are beautiful. More little starfish. And this guy here, he's antique brass. And this might be some kind of coral, sponge coral or a branch coral. I don't know, we will see on the list. Oh, and they gave us matte glass. That's beautiful. Love this one though, so unique. I wonder what it's going to be called. Okay, I'm going to close the box. Go over the list. $12mm is the first size, so that's for the top. And then there's going to be 3 10s. No? 4 10s. And then these here, those are so pretty. I wonder what this one's going to be called. This one here that looks like a jellyfish. The top one is 12mm rust gray duo style glass bead 6-inch string. That's pretty. It does have like a rust look to it. It's gorgeous. And then 10mm orange marble style glass bead 8-inch string. Orange marble style. It must be this one, because it doesn't say crackled. And then there's black. Wait a second. Black brown. So that's that one. And then, okay, I believe it's this one. Orange marble style glass bead, 8-inch string. This is pretty too. I want to say I've gotten this before in an 8mm, or maybe 6mm strand, this color here. Okay, and then this is the 10mm black brown dual style glass bead 8-inch string. This is crackled. It doesn't say it though in the thing. This one's crackled. Like these are like the same ones basically, just different colors. Yeah, this one looks really natural. It looks like natural crackled agate. It's beautiful. And then 10mm white semi-matte glass bead. I think that's this. It looks like a sea glass. It's a very beautiful bead. It looks really amazing too if you have like lotion on your skin or oils, and then when you wear it, just what that does to the mat. It looks really good. 10mm. Am I reading the same one? White. Yes, I am. 10mm brown crackle frosted glass bead, 6-inch string. So the top was 6, and then 8, 8, 6, and 6 again. This is really beautiful. So, brown crackle frosted glass bead. It has an orangeness to it. It's like a rusty orange though, so kind of like this. See that? It is gorgeous. It's kind of like a bronzy, brassy, rusty, like orange, brown. It's a beautiful shade. It's very pretty. And then 8mm ivory gemstone style glass bead, and then 8mm latte jade style glass bead, 10-inch string. 16, one's 16, one is 10. So that means that this one is the 16-inch string. 8mm, right? Yes, 8mm ivory gemstone style glass bead, 16-inch string. I believe it's this one. Looks like jellyfish. Jellyfish jelly. And then this one, 8mm latte jade style glass bead. It doesn't say that it's crackled, but it is. It's 10-inch string. Did I say 8-inch string? Maybe I'm thinking 8mm. I don't know anymore. I think I got this one time in a 10mm, and it is gorgeous. I love this color. As a champagne, that's how I would describe it. It looks like champagne color. Like there is check glass beads that is this color, and it is called champagne is the color. It's so beautiful. 18, 22mm puka shell bead. Approximate 18 beads. This? I don't know this is puka. I know this as cowrie shells. And where I live in Florida on the East Coast, I'm 5 miles away from the ocean. I have been my entire life. We would find these animals. I rarely ever see them this small. Usually when we find them, they're about this big. They're brown, and they're called cowries. And they have this skin that comes up over their back, and they completely covered their back in their skin. And it looks like it's fuzzy, like fur. It's kind of bizarre. And then if you touch them, they suck their skin in. But they're pretty cool. Cowries. I have seen them little, but like one time we got one in our reef tank somehow. Don't know how we got them in there. Maybe sometimes like if you have a reef tank, if you buy rocks at the store, or if you bring a live rock home, sometimes there's things on it and you don't see them until you put it in the aquarium, and then they like start creeping and crawling around the aquarium. So don't know how we actually got in the aquarium. But these here have a hole in them, and I actually like to put jump rings through those holes. But you gotta use really big jump rings, like 10mm or even bigger. Turn those into little charms. And they also use these in macrame. Okay, and then after that, $6mm synthetic coral gemstone Q bead, approximate 18 beads. Oh, this one. I have some weird coral looking beads in my stash. And I've wondered, like, what the heck they are. Because they look different from my other coral. I've always wondered if they're, like, man-made. They kind of look like this. So maybe some of the ones that I'm thinking, I only have a couple. Maybe mine are fake too. They're cool. And I would like to put turquoise with them. Or some kind of aqua blue. Alright, after that, 10mm crackle agate gemstone bead. 7 beads. Oh, that's this one. Oh, the thing we didn't see on the box. We didn't see these on the box. And we didn't see these on the box. The little starfish. So if you look at the picture, they're not in the picture. So these are beautiful. Crackled agate. The colors are pretty. I like those. Okay, and then approximate 1 ounce copper sparkle designer bead mix. These. It says copper, but it looks like brass to me. There is a gold seed beads. Oh my gosh, we got the disco beads round. That's a 10mm. We got them in 8s. I'll dig these out first. Yeah. So it's a mix. That means everybody's going to get, you know, a different mix. We're not all going to have the same thing. There's also lots of 6mm bicones. And that's the hole on them. Chinese, they're all Chinese crystal. Okay, so let me dig some of these out. You know what? I'm going to pour the whole thing out so you could see better. We also have this rice looking one, which I really only have started recently seeing. Those haven't been around for a long time. A lot of these gold seed beads, I think they're called color baked. So they're painted. And we have clear. It's a rice shaped Chinese crystal bead. There's also little rondelles. 3x4mm Chinese rondelles. And I think that's it. It's just a lot of them. Instead of there being like lots of different beads, they gave us lots of, you know, the same. It's pretty. Alright, next thing is 18mm starfish silver metal charm, 3 charms. That's this little guy here. I don't think I've seen this one before. I have not. He's cute. I used to have a blue starfish and his name was 5 Pits because he had 5 armpits. Aren't those cute? Little starfish. And then the last is 50x44mm starfish bronze metal pendant. So what does he look like in the back? I was wondering if he was double-sided. He's not. That's gorgeous. It's a nice weight. It is heavy. And I like that. Pretty. Whenever I go out on a boat and I go to the islands, there's those 9-legged starfish that birds try to eat them. I try to rescue them if I can. Take them to the water. So cool. So there is this bag left, which is the little kit that comes in every box in case you are new to this box. This kit comes with every box that you get, and it has everything you need to make jewelry minus tools. There is memory wire, there is bead stringing wire, head pins, and they're thick gauge head pins, like 20 gauge, maybe even thicker. There's ear wires. Oh, I thought that was the next bag. Crimp beads. There's my ear wires. Lobster claw clasp, elastic cord, and jump rings, which I just don't use for connections. I also use these as beads. And you can even use the crimp beads as beads. But that's what I do sometimes, depending on what I'm making. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little opening here. These are so beautiful. Very unique mix. I am digging the orange. It's very nice. Again, it reminds me of the box that I had got last month that had lots of orange in it, and it was put together so beautifully. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will put this box down there below in the description bar in case you are interested in it, and I'm also going to put the coupon code, which is AGERM35, and it will get you 35% off your first box. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.